Southbound turn is approved. Southbound turn approved, everybody.
Oh, looking good. 65 all the way.
Air 05 Lima, contact SoCal departure, see you later. Contact SoCal, everybody.
Hold it off. Good one. Yeah, 7 Charlie left, just like the taxi back.
7 Charlie Lima, Louder left at Delta, contact ground.
Left to Delta over the ground for Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha, thanks.
7 Charlie Alpha.
Brackett Tower, November 939er Romeo Juliet is on the BOR Alpha, full stop.
Brackett ground, good afternoon, Cessna 337 Charlie Alpha off 26 left at Delta, like to taxi back for takeoff.
Cessna 337 Charlie Alpha, Brackett ground taxi, runway 26 left taxi via Sierra.
Taxi to 26 left via Sierra for Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha. Yeah, 7 Charlie Alpha. You want us to hold for the Cessna?
Negative. Cessna's going to turn into the ramp right here.
7 Charlie Alpha, thanks. Airport's looking good. Stay below 2,500. Stay at 2,000. Good. Just do a quick run up here.
Information Alpha, current bracket, altimeter 2, 9901.
Correction, Brackett Tower, Cessna 337 Charlie Alpha, in the round of short of 26 left, ready to go left crosswind to Chino Airport.
337 Charlie Alpha, Brackett Tower, hold position, landing traffic. Actually, pull up 2 and hold short, runway 26 left, sir.
We'll pull up 2 and hold short of 26 left for Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha. Alright, there's a landing traffic.
Brackett Tower, Cessna 965, Mike Sierra, holding short, runway 26 right, pressing Brackettville DP.
965, Mike here, Brackett Tower, cross runway 26 right, hold position, stand by.
Left at Delta, Connie Grimes, 06,
7 Charlie Alpha, no delay, clear for immediate takeoff, runway 26 left, traffic 1 mile final.
No delay, clear for immediate takeoff, runway 26 left for Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha, here we go.
3 Mike here, traffic departing prior to arrival, Cessna on the roll.
Traffic in sight, 3 Mike here.
Okay, here we go, there's the center line, 26 left.
To 5 Mike here, cross runway 26 right, hold short, runway 26 left.
There we go.
26 right, hold short, 26 left, 5 Mike here.
There's the instrument. Jets are good. There's the airspeed. There's 55. It's good. Positive rate. Alright, get out of here quick. It's good. Positive rate. just to confirm, our left crosswind is approved.
7 Charlie Alpha, affirmative, and thank you for taking it immediate. I appreciate it.
7 Charlie, but no problem, thanks.
Going around 3 Mike Sierra.
3 Mike Sierra, roger. Pass behind the Cessna on upwind also, and they're making a left crosswind.